Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, May 20th. We were talking about confidence. Are we going to see a commitment going into the close of the stock market? And that's really what we've seen, not only in these other indices, but also here in the NASDAQ market. Not a dramatic close, a healthy close. In other words, it's maintaining the rhythm, and I'm looking for follow through to the upside, as we have all week long. If we look at the currencies, I think that the euro is getting low enough that we should get a bounce. So far, it hasn't given us that. But Monday, I think, is really going to be the test. If these buyers are here, we should see their footprint soon. Soon meaning Monday. The interest rate market's very logical. Look at the way the notes came back off and bonds. It makes sense in light of what we saw with the stock market, so I'm looking for unchanged to lower. Excuse me. Gold, yeah, it's headed in the right direction in terms of continued bearishness. But as I mentioned before, on this day, I said the next 2 to 3 days we need to get a close below these lows. I still feel the same way, and if we don't do that, I'm looking for a sideways market in gold. Crude oil continues to get dragged higher. I'm still cautious about this market. So anything telling me to be a seller at this level, no, but it has some very important benchmarks coming up here. Soybeans continues its march to the upside. Nice healthy close. It's clean in terms of the way you want to finish a week out. We're looking for a sideways day on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care from Geneva.